Argyle, it is time for question of the day. Are you ready? Okay, I think you're ready. Oh, are you going over there? Okay, now you're ready. Okay. A client is suspected of having a tension pneumothorax. Which findings should the nurse expect? Bilateral crackles. Whoa! What'd you get scared of? You leaving me to do this question on my own? Fine. Bradycardia, tracheal deviation, or a productive cough? Which one, Argyle? Okay, clock's ticking. You got an answer for this patient? Chew on your ass. I don't think the answer is chew on your ass. Okay, I guess I'm going to answer this one. Tracheal deviation.